I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to unlink a bank account on Deutsche Bank, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Log into your online banking. Start by accessing your Deutsche Bank online banking account. Enter your credentials to log in securely. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, find the account settings section in the main menu. This is where you can manage your linked accounts. Step 3. Select linked accounts. In the account settings, look for the linked accounts option. Click on it to view all the accounts currently linked to your profile. Step 4. Choose the account to unlink. From the list of linked accounts, select the one you wish to unlink. There should be an option to unlink or remove next to the account. Step 5. Confirm the unlinking. After selecting the account, you will be prompted to confirm your choice. Make sure to review any warnings about potential impacts before finalizing the unlinking. Remember, if you have any pending transactions linked to that account, you might want to address those first to avoid issues later. I hope this helps you manage your account smoothly.